Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to delete a pipeline in Pipedrive in a clean, safe, and professional way, so you don't accidentally remove something important or lose valuable deal data. To begin, log into your Pipedrive account and navigate to the Deals section from the left-hand sidebar. This is the central area where all your pipelines, deals, and sales processes are managed, so it's the correct starting point for this action. Once you're inside the Deals view, look at the top of the screen where you'll find the Pipeline drop-down menu. Click on it and carefully select the pipeline you intend to delete. It's important to take a moment here and verify your selection, especially if you manage multiple pipelines for different teams, products, or stages of your sales process. Reviewing the stage names and deal counts helps ensure you're working on the correct pipeline.
After confirming the correct pipeline is active, locate the small pencil or edit icon near the top right section of the pipeline view. Click it to enter the pipeline editing mode. This section is normally used for adjusting stages, renaming steps, or restructuring your workflow, but it also contains advanced management options. Inside the edit interface, look for the three-dot menu, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on it, and you will see the option to delete the pipeline. Select it carefully. At this stage, Pipedrive will display a confirmation prompt to prevent accidental deletion. Read the warning message thoroughly. If there are active deals inside the pipeline, the system may alert you or ask you to confirm how those deals should be handled. This is a critical step, so make sure you fully understand the impact before proceeding.
If you are confident in your decision, confirm the deletion. Once confirmed, the pipeline will be permanently removed, and the interface will refresh automatically. It should no longer appear in your pipeline drop-down list. As a best practice, always review your pipeline contents before deleting anything. If there's any uncertainty, consider moving deals to another pipeline or archiving them instead. This helps maintain data integrity and prevents accidental loss of important sales information. And that's the complete process. You've now successfully deleted a pipeline in Pipedrive in a structured and professional way, ensuring your workspace stays organized and efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.